Hello everybody, this is Firefighter Purple. As y'all can see, it is harvest season 2020. As you can see, I'm sitting here right now getting loaded with corn. This grain cart right here is loading me. Got one combine part and the other one right there that's cut. We're just trying to work the kinks out, run the dryer, get the grain bins, and get everything worked out so we can really officially begin. We cut a little bit Monday. Then our moisture got too high, so we had to stop. But right now we're back running again today on Friday. We got a field here, field over here, the grain cart's sitting here beside me. Corn across the road right there, we still got to cut in. There's corn right down there on the end where the combine is. There's another field over that way. I don't know if y'all can see it right now or not, but I got another truck coming in. That'll be loading behind me after I get loaded. But right now, just look at all the stuff that's going on in this world. Riding like crazy still. So you gotta be prepared. Everybody needs to stock up on food, water, toilet paper, everything you need to be stocking up on it now before it's too late. Because right now you never know what's going to happen, especially with all this rioting, looting. Democrats trying to do gun control right now, so it's just getting bad every day. Now Joe Biden's done picked his running mate. She is a very radical left Democrat. She's for abortion even as the babies are being born. Everything's so wicked in this world right now. And it's just getting worse and worse and worse every day. When's enough going to be enough? Might as well just say we're in SHTF right now in this lockdown time. The world's just getting worse. Here's the other truck that is coming in. And as you can see, there's a combine right there coming through the field, cutting corn. From what I can tell, the corn is cutting real good right now because you can see it's sticking up above his hoppers right now of the combine. Mr. Gary on the combine, Bobby right here in the truck, and that is actually my boss on the grain cart right now that is loading us because everybody else is busy watering and draining water off the rice and everything else right now, so we're staying pretty busy on the farm. They're hauling corn out every day and busy around here on the farm. And I think the combine done got full over there where he's at. And so he's going to have to cut him. I might have to cut him a hole just for the grain cart to get up to it so he can dump. Yep, he's full. Oh, there's a path over there because there comes the grain cart now. Most of they come off of some little short roads right over here. And then he started it on that set of long roads right there and he's done filled up. So this corn is cutting great. It might be cutting 200 or 300 bushels to the acre. So that is really good corn. That'll be some of the best corn we got. It was cutting that much. I figure at least probably averaging about 200 bushels to the acre when it's all said and done, maybe a little more. As y'all can see, dumping the corn's coming out the auger on the combine, loading the grain cart right now. But just as we're going right now, it's just going to get busier and busier as we start harvesting the corn, rice. Then we'll be taking cotton, harvesting soybeans. Then we got to get all this stuff dried down in the grain bins, dried down, and start hauling it all off. Right now, I'm still looking for land to buy to do my own off-grid homestead on. So maybe one of these days I'll be able to find what I want. That'd be good. That way I can get off the grid, do my own little thing. I'm gonna get off here right now because the grain cart will be coming back around here to me for too long to load me again, and then I have to be on the road back to the shop, so I can weigh it out, sample it, and then I have to go to the grain bins to unload and come back down here and get another one. I was told we were only going to cut 3 or 4 loads today because more rain's coming in the morning. We got 2 dryers to dry it down with. We ran one Monday. Now they're running the big dryer today, so he can go ahead and bring what he's got on that grain cart. He can load me now, but I don't know if he'll come. I'm gonna really try to wait for the grain cart to get full before they come up here. Well, get off of here for now, so everybody, y'all just stay safe and keep prepping. Firefighter Prepper out. Later, y'all.